This is Patrick McCormick with McCormick Systems. Today we're going to go over how to swap parts within our Design Estimating Pro. We've made it very easy to run a value engineering on a project or simply replace one part with another. To show you how this is done, I've got a drawing up that I've already got some takeoff on there, and they're really just simple duplexes. Now, with this, if I want to change it from a standard duplex to masonry, it's real simple. All I have to do is go back to my database, grab the part that I'm looking for right there, open my drawing back up. Now simply right click, go to replace all matching parts or replace selected depending on what you're trying to do. And as you see, it replaced every duplex I have on this drawing with my masonry. It also did it in my audit trail, removing those 17 and adding the 17 new ones. Thank you for viewing today. If you want to see more of McCormick Systems, you can either call the number on the screen or click the link to schedule a full demo.